So we recently covered the new Corsair HS55 headset, the ever so amazing HS65 headset, which was phenomenal, and as great as they are, I still truly believe the Corsair Virtuosos are the best. But unfortunately, not perfect. Why, you ask? Well, taking a look at the cushions on the Virtuosos right here, they are quite chintzy, and you got a really beefy, solid headset right here, right? But again, the ear pad, there's just not much. But you all know we can always count on our friends over at Wicked Cushions to come through with some sweet, stinking cozy cushions to make our headsets absolutely phenomenal. I mean, let's just go on and pop this open, guys. I'm gonna show you a lot more here, right? But let's take a look at one cushion. We have the gel one right here. As you see, you got the sports material, you got the pleather on the outside, and then on the inside, which is gonna lock in that sound. But as you flip it over, you can see you actually have that Virtuoso bracket. It's not just a cushion that you're gonna pull over the frame. It actually goes in there and locks in just like the stock bracket. And just take a look at the size. Let me go on and give you some dimensions right here. So you can see like that, right? I mean, it's a perfect circle, so you can see it going around. The depth, plenty of depth. Your ears are not gonna be touching the inside. What I wanna show you, the biggest thing, let's go on and pull this ear cup off, and as you see, I just twisted it off right there, boop, and then it comes out. So again, you can see the bracket on the bottom. Same kind of bracket, so again, it's gonna fit perfect and snug in there. But the biggest thing, look at that size difference. Is that crazy or what? It's almost like twice the size. Like, just look at that. And then coming up here, like, oh man, like just look at it. You just press that one down, press this one down. Yo, complete game changer. And the other cool thing about this here, as you all know with Wicked Cushions, is you have so many different styles to choose from. Let me just go on and dump these out right here, and you can see everything that we have. I mean, take a look at the little purple kind of cyber theme right there. And again, you have them in that pleather, and then you also have them in the cooling gel, which, by the way, as you guys have seen before, the cooling gel is on the inside as well, not just on the top. Every other manufacturer puts cooling gel on the top. These are inside and up there, so it really keeps it cool. And it also, with these gel ones, because the gel foam is quite thick, it locks in that sound amazing, but you still have that cool touch, nice soft fabric up there. Take a look at these white ones, the white and gold. So if you got the silver Virtuosos, yo, these look stinking awesome. But again, you can go with that solid black if that's what you want. You don't want to really jazz it up too much. Then you got these. These are the ones I really like right here. I love this design, but and again, you got the full pleather if you want, but me personally, I'm a gel fan. So let's go on and get our headset. I'm gonna show you this, guys. So again, as you see, you got the brackets, exact same as stock. All you're gonna do is slap it down in, you feel it kind of set in there, then bam, twist it left, you're good to go. Again, let's go on and take this cushion off. Bam, that's off. Where's our other gel one? Let's get our gel one. All right, we got our, where's my other gel one? Where's my other gel one? Okay, I left it down in the box over there. So let's go on and slap this on right here, get it seated in, twist it, bam, and look at that. You're good to go. They're not budging at all. They're just on there perfect. And yo, that combo. Oh man, I love it with the black and then the kind of brushed nickel gunmetal color. And then with that right here, I don't know about you guys, I absolutely love this combo. And the absolute best part of these is, again, the comfort. When you put these guys on, talking about the Virtuosos right here, oh my, they give me nerd chills. No joke, no fluff, no anything. I mean, y'all know I work with Wicked Cushions a lot, right? So you can think I'm just over here trying to sell you something, you know? But no joke, why I talk about Wicked Cushions so much is you all know I absolutely live by them. I use them daily on multiple headphones and headsets. And just talking about the difference right here, stinking cozy, hands down, it's game changing. If you have the Virtuosos, you need to get a set of these on there. So make sure to check out the links right down in the description to get your cushions for your Virtuosos, or heck, any other gaming headsets you have for that matter right there, right? But again, in those links down in the description, click on them and you're gonna get a special coupon code just for you there as well. And trust you me, you will be back in this comment section to thank me later.